Realme has started teasing the arrival of the Realme 16 Pro series of smartphones in India. There will be two models, the Realme 16 Pro and the Realme 16 Pro Plus. Both devices tipped to launch on January 6. The design of the Realme 16 Pro series has been teased through a promotional image, showcasing a sleek profile with a golden middle frame and a slightly protruding rear camera module. Realme 16 Pro images, confirming a flat front panel and a square rear camera island with rounded corners. It appears to contain 3 lenses and an LED flash. The phone could pack a 200MP primary sensor alongside an 8MP ultra-wide lens. It confirms the periscope rumors. This teaser shows 1x, 3.5x, and 10x magnification. A 50MP front camera. It has a 6.78-inch OLED screen delivering a 1.5K resolution, support a 144Hz refresh rate. An ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Realme 16 Pro is said to be available in 12GB plus 256GB and a top-end 12GB plus 512GB model. The phone will launch with Android 16 and will receive 3 years of OS updates and an extra year of security patches. The phone includes a 7000 mAh typical battery, expected 80W charging. The Realme 16 Pro will come in 3 color options, include Peeble Gray, Master Gold, and Orchid Purple. The Realme 16 Pro could measure 7.75mm in thickness and weigh around 192 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.